Characteristics of human genome. Approximately 1.5% of the genome codes for the proteins. Repeated sequences made up of at least 45% of the human genome. Average size of the exon in case of human genome is between 120 up to 145 base pair, while the average number of the exons in each gene in case of human genome is somewhere between 7 to 9 exons. Average coding sequence that consists of the proteins, the number of amino acids can be between 370 up to 440 amino acids. So the average size of exon is between 120 to 145 base pair. Average number of exons is 7 to 9 exons per gene, and average number of amino acid per protein can be between 370 up to 440 amino acids. In this diagram, we can see the detail of all the chromosomes of human genome, chromosome 1 till chromosome 15, length of the chromosomes, base pair of the chromosomes, variations in the chromosomes, confirmed proteins that have been identified on the chromosomes, putative proteins, pseudogenes, miRNA, rRNA, snRNA, snORNA, and miscellaneous non-coding RNA. So this is the detail of the chromosome 1 till chromosome 15 of the human genome. And here is the detail from chromosome 16 till chromosome 22 and chromosome X as well as chromosome Y. Human genes characterized by function of the transcribed proteins given both as number of encoding genes and percentage of all identified genes. So this is the pie graph representing that the number of the identified genes and the percentage of those proteins that have been identified with reference to the identified number of genes. The human genome has many different regulatory proteins or the regulatory sequences which are crucial for controlling the gene expression. Conservative estimates indicate that these sequences, they are approximately 8% of the genome. So it means that approximately 8% of the human genome consists of tandem repeats or tandem array of the DNA. In case of mobile elements, LTR transposons, they are approximately 8.3% of the genome. Signs, they are approximately 13.1% of the genome. And lines, they are approximately 20.4% of the genome. So this is about the mobile elements which are present on human genome. Pericentromeric and subtelomeric regions of the chromosomes, they are filled with large transposable elements in case of human genome. Chimpanzee genome differs from that of the human genome by 1.23% of direct DNA sequence. So this is the comparison between the genome of the chimpanzee and genome of the human, that they differ from each other by 1.23% at nucleotide or at DNA level. Male mutation rate in case of human genome is almost double than the female. Most mutations, they occur in males. Recombination rate much higher in distal regions of the chromosome. So these are some of the characteristics of human genome.